Welcome to the Learner, upgrade your knowledge. Stay curious, stay inspired. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Learner. Your support helps us create more quality educational content for you and your family. Which animal has a thick fur coat to survive in cold mountains? A. Snow leopard. B. Lion. C. Tiger. Correct answer is snow leopard. Which animal can smell water from miles away? A. Camel. B. Elephant. C. Zebra. Correct answer is elephant. Which animal has a long sticky tongue to eat ants and termites? A. Anteater. B. Bear. C. Gorilla. Correct answer is anteater. Which animal is the largest cat species in the world? A. Leopard. B. Tiger. C. Lion. Correct answer is tiger. Which animal has big flat teeth for chewing plants? A. Rabbit. B. Goat. C. Elephant. Correct answer is elephant. Which animal carries its home on its back? A. Tortoise. B. Armadillo. C. Snail. Correct answer is tortoise. Which animal has stripes that help in camouflage? A. Zebra. B. Giraffe. C. Hyena. Correct answer is zebra. Which animal is known for its super strong hind legs for jumping? A. Kangaroo. B. Rabbit. C. Leopard. Correct answer is kangaroo. Which animal has curved horns and lives in mountains? A. Ibex. B. Cow. C. Wolf. Correct answer is ibex. Which animal covers its body with armor-like plates? A. Armadillo. B. Bear. C. Goat. Correct answer is armadillo. Which big animal opens its huge mouth widely and lives near water? A. Hippo. B. Buffalo. C. Camel. Correct answer is hippo. Which animal can lift 10 times its own weight? A. Gorilla. B. Ant. C. Elephant. Correct answer is ant. Which animal is known for its black tear-like facial markings? A. Leopard. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. Correct answer is cheetah. Which animal lives in sandy deserts and has long ears? A. Fennec fox. B. Wolf. C. Zebra. Correct answer is fennec fox. Which animal uses its trunk to make loud trumpeting sounds? A. Hippo. B. Elephant. C. Camel. Correct answer is elephant. Which animal has sharp claws and sleeps inside dens? A. Bear. B. Goat. C. Cow. Correct answer is bear. Which animal changes its fur color to white in winter? A. Arctic wolf. B. Deer. C. Elephant. Correct answer is Arctic wolf. Which animal travels in huge groups called herds? A. Tiger. B. Elephant. C. Leopard. Correct answer is elephant. Which animal is known for howling to communicate? A. Wolf. B. Monkey. C. Lion. Correct answer is wolf. Which animal has strong jaws and breaks bones easily? A. Hyena. B. Tiger. C. Camel. Correct answer is hyena.